Do you ever wish that you could take multiple files and open them in Adobe Photoshop as layers rather than individual files? Maybe they're photos, maybe they're social graphics. It doesn't really matter because today I'm here to show you just how easy it is to bring any files you want into Photoshop as individual layers. This is great for when you want to apply a change universally across a bunch of different files at one time. Maybe you're changing image sizes, applying adjustment layers, or maybe you're just using them as a smart object for a design mockup, which is exactly how I most recently used this trick. Now, the method to do this is so easy, it's just a lot of people don't know where to find it. So all we have to do is go up to File, Scripts, and then down here we can see Load Files into Stack. That's just a fancy way of saying we want to load all of our images in as layers. So I click on that, it brings up this Load Layer screen where we can select our files. Now there are two methods for this. We can select either Files or Folder. Obviously, selecting Folder will automatically select every file that's inside of our chosen folder. Now I can't explain a very good reason why, but anytime I'm given this option, I always choose Files. I guess maybe it makes me feel like I have an added level of control in selecting what I want. I'm not really sure. Does anyone else feel this same preference for no real reason? If so, let me know. So once we have that sorted, we can go ahead and hit Browse to select the files we want. Just navigate to the correct folder and choose which files you want to load, either by clicking and dragging or holding the Shift key to select multiple files. Then we can just hit OK. Now we see the file names of each of our selected files. Now we see that we have the option to sort our files by name if we want those to be in a specific order. We also have options to attempt to automatically align the source images. So if everything is a slightly different size, this will try to align each of those layers so that they're lined up with each other. But in my situation, each of our images are already the same size, so it doesn't really matter. We also have an option for creating a smart object if we wanted, which can be handy. But for now, we're just going to keep these settings as they are and hit OK. Now it may take Photoshop a few seconds as it does its thing. And there we go. Now we have each of our images imported to a single file, each as its own layer, exactly the way we wanted them. Now we can make any of those global adjustments that we wanted to make or go on with creating the rest of our file. It's just that easy. And as you're trying this out for yourself, let me know down in the comments what you are planning to use this for. I'd be really interested to know how you end up using this method. And now that you know how to open multiple files as layers, how about learning some alternative methods for cutting out images from a solid background in Photoshop? I have a video right here to show you how.